welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing an in-depth review of the Yeezy Boost version 2, but not in any like specific colorway. It's like every colorway that I own. Obviously I haven't gotten every single colorway. I don't think anyone's been that fortunate enough to get each and every single pair retail. This is a review of every single Yeezy V2 that I own, starting from the Beluga all the way up to the Blue Tint, which was the latest to drop. The Yeezy 350 V2 is the popular sequel to the now hard to get, super expensive Yeezy V1, which came in a cardboard box. Obviously a lot has changed from moving from V1 to V2. But yep, it fits in frame, right? Anyways, I will be giving the V2 a rating in my 3 categories of durability, comfort, and style. Okay, so let me quickly state that the Yeezy V2 is actually the pair of shoes that I've worn the most in the last year. My number 1 pair that I wear the most is actually the... Ooh, that's bright. The pair that I use the most is actually the creams. They're really dirty. I wanted to make it nice and dark so that you could see how beat to crap these are. The only reason that I do beat the crap out of them like that is because I have a dead stock pair that I have for later on. Anyways, comfort. Comfort is amazing, honestly. Honestly, the only pair of shoes that beat the V2 at comfort would be the Ultra Boost. Maybe sometimes like an EQT, and only in specific cases, but to me, personally, the Yeezy V2 beats every other pair of shoes that I own. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it is the most comfortable shoe that I own. I give it a 10 out of 10 in comfort because honestly, in my personal opinion, out of every shoe that I own, it is the most comfortable. Now there have been quite a few changes between the V1 and the V2, and let's get into that a little bit. When Yeezys first came out, by the way, I used to have turtle doves, but I sold them when they first came out on the next day. Some chick messaged me on Craigslist, and let's not get into that too much. It's a long story. Anyways, I still do have my pair of Pirate Blacks. I learned my lesson. I'm not reselling any more Yeezys. These are pretty special to me now. When these first came out, they did have the pull tab in the back. They had the little bit of suede in the middle. It had those patterns that just, it was wild. It was so completely different. Lots of people did not like the silhouette at all. Detested it. And then slowly people started enjoying it, liking it. These are legit. Don't call me out on any of them. No. The Beluga did away with pull tab. It just had this huge orange line, which a lot of people hated, especially you Reddit. A lot of people hated on it, and then just like those green, ugly ass McDonald looking Yeezys, everyone just started liking them after, so, you know, gotta ride that hype. I do tape my inside so it doesn't ruin the little logo that's on the inside. Honestly, once you had them in hand, you could really appreciate the quality of that stitching. So I am currently shooting in 4K, but I downgrade to 1080p. This stitching, insane. Damn, I need a macro lens. Same exact silhouette as the Belugas, if I'm not mistaken, like to the T. Exactly the same. Out of all the ones I own, I think these are my least favorite. I don't know, it seems like they're just so kind of boring. I don't really have much to say about these. They're just black and white. Okay, so we're gonna go on to durability this time. They are pretty durable. I've beat the crap out of the white ones that I showed earlier, and I wear them probably 3 times a week, maybe 4 times, just because I'm super lazy. I try to keep my shoes nice and pristine. Super lazy when it comes to cleaning dirty. I think I forgot to rate durability. I had just said it too. Anyways, durability wise, I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. These have held up really well. The Prime Knit, I mean, it's a little Yeezy V1 bottom sole. Forget about it. You can tell that it just would not. You could just tell that the Yeezy V1 bottom sole would not, won't last very long. Yeah, you can definitely see it more on the Oxford tans. Definitely an improvement on the V2. Durability 8. Let's get into streetwear. Okay, streetwear is this weird realm of they hate on a lot of things. Like they take things in and then they hate on them easily. Depending on the color of Yeezys that you have, You can style them whatever way you want. I probably wouldn't wear them with shorts. I've done it and it just doesn't look good. Overall though, you can lace them whatever way you want. You can go with the dead stock knot. I haven't unlaced these since the day I got them. Or you can just wear them unlaced, which a lot of people call me a hype beast for doing. It's your personal preference. You can wear whatever shoes, whatever way you want. Don't complain. So style wise, I would definitely give the Yeezy V2 a 9.5, just because it doesn't go well with everything. What constitutes a perfect 10 out of 10? You know what? I'll get back to you with that. At some point, I'll probably end up giving something a 10 out of 10 in style on my channel. But for now, Yeezy V2, you're gonna get a 9.5, just because like I want 10 to be Grail status, you know, in style. It's reserved for those Soul Box Ultra Boost out there in the wild, or like the Woodwood Ultra Boost that I don't own either. But yeah, thanks for watching the video again. Be sure to leave a like if you like the video. Also, comment below what shoes you want me to review next. I got an ample amount until I'm gonna have to go run out and like purchase some. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to be notified for my next video. Once again, thanks for watching my in-depth review of the Yeezy V2.